tutorial, that's a DIY on how to make tummy belts or waist trainer. So that's what we are going to be achieving today. So I'm making use of this band, this elastic band. Bought this from a Nigerian market for about 300 naira per yard, and this is 4 yards in total. So I'll be making use of this 4 yards today in our tutorial. And this is our thread, and also needle, making use of our velcro. So if you don't know what velcro looks like, let me show you. This is what velcro looks like. This is it. That's the English name. I don't know any other name for it, but I know it's velcro. So just go ahead and use your velcro. So let's get right into the video. We'll start with the measurements. So I'll be opening it. See, it's very long, guys. It says 4 yards. So you start by placing it on your tummy. You place it, and you so I think this is the one we'll be needing. As you can see, guys, this is looking good already. So you just buy it and arrange. So we start by placing this where you want it to be. So you mark it here. You mark it here. This is it. You mark it. So I'll be making use of my concealer to do the marking. Yeah. Now I'll go ahead and we'll be sewing our velcro under it. Look at our marking. We'll be sewing the velcro under. Here's the marking, the velcro under. Guys, if you understand, velcro under. Just try to do it in the house and you understand exactly what I'm saying. So here the velcro will be going under. I bought this from the market. It's called Extreme Power Belt. So I do use it, but I want to just try and show you guys the difference between the one we made and this one. So I'll just go ahead and wear it right now, and you'll see the difference yourself. So this is how I do it. I'll just go ahead and place it on my tummy. So it's so obvious that you can't wear this inside the clothes without it showing. I prefer the one we made to this. But that's my choice. Anyone you want, you go ahead and use. This is another one also. This one they do sell it at the market too. I bought this. This you just go ahead and tie it and tie it. I don't even wear this anymore because it's not breathable at all. It's not breathable. So you just use this to hook any of the hooks here. So you just go ahead and do it like that. I think you understand. Just go ahead and put it. But this one is not breathable, so I don't really use this again.